I came to Collision to meet interesting, intelligent people in this space.
Our investors told us that this is like absolutely the best conference to come to. The app is pretty phenomenal, so you get to connect with all these people directly.
Be prepared. There's more traffic at our booth than we really ever expected.
Honestly, pitching in front of a big crowd here at Collision was the most exciting experience.
Telling your story in front of a crowd is really valuable.
I've never done anything quite like that.
Having this big of a stage in front of so many interesting and intelligent people is a really big value to my company. Get out of your comfort zone and you connect with people.